Tax expenditure are estimates of total revenue foregone as a result of exclusions, exemptions, or deductions from the tax base to provide special credit, preferential tax rates, or deferred tax liability. The government forgoes such tax revenue with the intention of achieving social and economic objectives. Outlining the specific details of Sri Lanka's tax expenditure during the past year, the Fiscal Policy Department of the Ministry of Finance, Economic Stabilisation and National Policies published a comprehensive report titled The Tax Expenditure Statement. According to the report, the total personal income tax expenditure for the year 2021 to 2022 stood at 11.543 billion rupees. The total tax expenditure to generate personal income tax as such included 5.816 billion rupees by way of relief and qualifying payments and 5.727 billion rupees by way of tax exemptions. Meanwhile, on the corporate income tax front from 2022 to 2023, total tax expenditure stood at 87.733 billion rupees, made up of 86.575 billion rupees in concessionary rates and 1.158 billion rupees in tax exemptions. The Finance Ministry also noted that the increase of corporate income tax rate from 24% to 30% and the removal of sector-specific concessionary rates were implemented with effect from the 1st of October 2022. The tax expenditure for value-added tax during 2022 to 2023 was reported at 554.35 billion rupees. Of the total VAT tax expenditure incurred, 447.05 billion rupees corresponded to non-BOI companies, while the BOI companies accounted for 107.3 billion rupees. Drawing attention to the significant disparity in the tax expenditure between BOI and non-BOI companies, the Ministry of Finance highlighted that VAT incentives are mostly enjoyed by non-BOI companies compared to BOI companies. Revealing the facts and figures on a key contributor to tax expenditure, the Ministry of Finance revealed that tax expenditure on customs duties for 2023 stood at 324.749 billion rupees. The BOI sector contributed 313.64 billion rupees to its total tax expenditure, while trade agreements accounted for 11.101 billion rupees. Accordingly, a grand total of 978,383 billion rupees were incurred as the expenditure during the 2022 to 2023 period. On an aggregate basis, the Ministry of Finance outlined the largest contributor tax expenditure in the year 2022 to 2023 was the value-added tax at 57%, while customs duties followed at 33%. However, noting the recent tax policy reforms, including the removal of vast majority of VAT exemptions from the 1st of January this year, the Ministry of Finance stated that the tax expenditure estimated from 2023 onwards is expected to be significantly lower.